Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin' here. I'm excited about my first garage sale in 2018. I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, so I stopped at my first garage sale of 2018 and I found some really good stuff. So I pulled in, the garage sale signs are out. I'm super excited. Springtime 2018, we're gonna get our first stuff. So this lady was having a garage sale. I think she needed to pay her rent is what she said. And so I found some good stuff. They had a lot of household items, but I'm gonna give you a glimpse into what I found and kind of what I look for when I go to garage sales. So you know me, I'm mostly an Amazon seller. The first thing I came across was a tie Beanie Baby bear. Most of the time these things are not worth a lot, but as you can see I bought it right, 25 cents. I think I can make about $5 on this, and the ones that sell the best are usually the ones that come in sets. So this one obviously has a British flag on it, and so I found ones, I have actually sold ones before that have a Canadian flag on it and things like that. So those are really, really good to find if you can buy them right. The next thing that I came across was still brand new in the package, because that's what I like for Amazon selling. 10 cents a piece. These are Hello Kitty Pez Easter bunnies, and I think they only sold them 1 year, but each one of these is gonna, after fees and after I take them off my 10 cents, I'm gonna make about $10 a piece on that. So they're actually worth quite a bit more than you would think, but especially if you see anything in new condition and still in the package, always pick it up and always scan it. The next thing that I found is not in new condition, but I always scan Bibles because they usually sell really well. This one's actually fairly unique. I will sell it in used condition. I paid $2 for it. I'll sell it in used condition because when I open it up you can kind of tell it's definitely used. But this one is neat because it comes with word and song CDs, plus there is a Bible in here that's in really good condition, and so it'll be definitely sold used, but I'm gonna plan on selling this Amazon FBA, and I should be able to get about $15 after all my fees on this one. This is something a lot of people don't think about when they're doing garage sales. This is an old textbook, probably a college textbook, and I will definitely sell that used, but that's what Amazon was initially started with, was selling used books. And so this one will sell really well. A lot of people aren't thinking about flipping that on Amazon after they've been in school. Usually they're done with it and they move on to the next class. So this is in really good condition. As you can see, it doesn't look like there's any markings. I'll look through just to make sure I put all my condition notes properly. But if you sell it quickly, you may be able to even, they might still be selling this edition. This is the 10th edition, so make sure whenever you list it that you take note of which edition you're under and you're not selling maybe a newer edition or an older edition. The next thing I will... Oh, I think I'm going to make about $20 on this one. Sorry. So I spent $1 on this, and I will make $20 on this one. Sorry, I almost forgot to tell you that. I was telling you all the info. All right, this is considered new old stock. This is a Hummel cross-stitch needle craft pattern. I spent $1 a piece on them. And they're going for about $30 of profit after all my fees. And so this is considered new old stock. This is basically grandma's old figurines. They're very, very old. Hummels are very, very collectible. And these are great, in great conditions, brand new. It comes with all of the floss included to do the needle craft and the patterns. And so new old stock, it has a high sales rank, but new old stock usually does, but usually it's because you can't find it. And so I usually, when it's something that I know is old but still new in condition, I usually don't worry about the sales rank on those, because the reason why is there's not as many around. So those are going to be $30 a profit a piece on that. And then I've got, this is probably going to be my one eBay item. This is a ring that is marked 10 karat gold. It's white gold, and it also has a maker's mark on it. And I even mentioned to the lady, hey, this is marked 10 karat gold. Are you aware of that? As you can see, I spent $5 on it. And she said, yep, I got it from my ex-boyfriend, and I just want it gone. I don't want to see it anymore. And so, I guess her ex-boyfriend's purchase is my gain. And so I expect to start the bidding on this around $40. And so I'm expecting to hopefully have a bidding war and have it go up a little bit higher. But as you can see, this is going to be really good profit for my first haul on my garage sale pick for the year 2018. It's currently April of 2018. And the biggest thing about garage sales is you're going to have fantastic return on investment if you can just find the right item. And so I'm a primarily Amazon seller, and so I look for stuff that's still new in package or in good condition that I can flip on FBA, like the books. But don't stray away from the things that you want to sell on eBay, like the ring and other items that are in really great condition. Jewelry always sells. Just, check those maker's marks and check and see if it is sterling or gold or anything like that. So I hope this has been helpful to see what I am looking at for my first garage sale pick of 2018. I'm super excited. I've got good numbers and I should make a great profit on this one. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. So I spent $10.50, sold everything for $160 for a total profit of $149.50. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.